5 tips I wish I knew about credit before messing up my own credit, part 5, is knowing that there's a rebuilding side. There's not just the repairing side and getting everything removed. Just keep in mind that as you offset the negative items, you also want to make sure you add positive history. Yes, you do want to get added as an authorized user only if the person has a good credit limit, possibly a zero balance on that credit limit that you're getting added, and no late payments, because whatever shows on their credit report will go ahead and affect your credit report as well. Keep that in mind. We do offer some secured cards. We can provide you that link during your consultation, or you can also go ahead and get one through your bank, as well as making sure that you start rebuilding as soon as possible and making sure you manage that new debt better to make sure that you also start improving your score as the negative items get removed. Again, if you have any credit questions, feel free to reach out to us. We are here to go ahead and provide you a free credit consultation. The link is